So I want to try something with everybody, and I honestly don't know if this is going to work or not. So all take your phones out for a second, and all head to your calculators. And keep the phones towards yourselves. Don't obviously let me see what it is that you're going to punch in. Now you're going to use a varied spread of the keypad. So what I don't want you to do is just go like 1 and then 2 and then 3. All punch in a random number from somewhere on your keypad. And now look at each other's numbers. Chances are you've got different numbers, right? Quickly press the times key, I won't look. And then hit in another random number. And then times it by another random number. And times it by another random number. Times it by another random number, and if you want, you can times it by another single digit. Done? So press equals and all look at each other's totals. You'll see that they'll be vastly different. I don't need to see them. Keep it towards yourself. I want you all in your heads just to add up each of those singular digits. So don't worry about anybody else's, but just add up each of those singular digits. And if you end up at a 2-digit number, add the 2 digits together so you each arrive at a single digit. Now hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You done? 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 Done?
Yeah.
Erase your totals out of your phones and place them face down. So what we've just done there is created a random pin code for the group. You see, you have a number, you have a number, you have a number, and you have a number. I'm going to write down what numbers I'm picking up on. Now I'm not necessarily going to get them in the right order, but I'm going to try my best to work out what they are. So in your head, you just imagine telling me yours. Okay, now you imagine telling me yours. You imagine telling me yours. And finally, yours. I think yours is the easiest.
Thank you.
Keep a straight face when I put it down, don't react. This is what I'm getting, 2963. If I got your numbers, just raise your hands. Perfect.
That's so good.
It's so devious. I love it.
It's great, isn't it?
Could you do it a second time if people were like, do it again?
Yeah.
You said yeah.
It's repeatable.
Yeah. And then you were like, but you could hide the outcome. So can you show us?
Well, let's say that, because there's going to be a lot of people that aren't performing on 4 people, because it's sometimes an inaccessible number. I'll do just 2. So both of you take your phones out. You know the procedure, so just open them up, go to your calculator, and use the varied spread of the keypad again. Punch in a random single digit, and times it by another random single digit. And again, just make sure your thumb's jumping about. Times it by another random single digit. Times it by another one. Times it by another one, and if you want, you can do another one as well. And then press equals, and have a look at your totals. They'll be vastly different. So again, just add each of the singular digits up. But this time, if you arrive at a 2-digit number, keep that 2-digit number in mind. So you've both got a 2-digit number. And if you don't, just say, Pete, I don't have a 2-digit number.
Yeah.
You've got a 2-digit number, you've got a 2-digit number. So imagine your 2-digit number for a second. And imagine yours. I'll even show the camera this. This is what I think it is. If I got your number, just raise your hand. So I got yours. So I got yours. Just think about which one yours is at the 2 numbers. Okay, yours is 18. Yours is wrong though, right? Let me change yours. I'm going to change that out. I think we've got... What's your number?
27.
1827. And there it is, 1827. Yours is 18, yours is 27, proving that you can do with 2 people and it's repeatable.
So good.
That's great.
And I knew exactly which number were which person's as well.
So that's not fishing. You threw that wrong number in.
No, I genuinely at first felt that's what Oban had gone for, and then I changed my mind at the last second. And oh, sorry, what you'd gone for, and then I changed my mind at the last second and ended up with that. It's cool, isn't it? It looks great.